When you're talking about linear programming, it's about getting to the best possible outcome, whether that be if you're a business, whether that be you're an individual. For businesses, is about making the most profit, lowering your cost on what it costs to build something, make something. How can I get the biggest bang for my buck? That's what a linear situation or linear programming problem is. And I'm going to show you mathematically why it's a linear programming situation. When you're talking about from an individual perspective, you're like, here's my budget. This is what I have to spend this week on groceries. What can I buy? I'm counting we'll see an example where I'm counting my calories. Well, I want to eat an apple, a granola bar, and some cereal. How do I maintain my calories? I have a budget. I only can spend $50 this week on food, and I want to go to this store, this store, and this store. What can I do? Those type of situations, that's actually linear programming. And so when you're like, when am I going to use math? As I tell you, you use it all the time. You just don't say, hey, let me do a linear programming problem. No, you start solving and you start using your critical thinking. So when you're talking about getting the best possible outcome, you have to look at those things that are constraining you, that are limiting you, that are probably going to prevent you from getting that maximum profit or getting lowering your costs. So like here it says linear programming helps us decide how to get the most or the least from a situation depending on what rules and limitations that you have to follow. And I'll give you some examples of that. I want to show you from a real world perspective, and then we can cover the math side, because I think if you understand the real world perspective, the math should come easy.